Wolves, often shrouded in myth and misunderstanding, are among the most iconic and ecologically vital species on Earth. As apex predators, they play a critical role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems, while their cultural significance spans centuries, embodying both reverence and fear in human societies. From their biological adaptations to their symbolic presence in folklore, wolves are a testament to the intricate interplay between nature and human perception. Ecologically, wolves are keystone species, meaning their presence or absence has a disproportionate effect on their environment. In Yellowstone National Park, the reintroduction of gray wolves in 1995 after a 70-year absence demonstrated their profound impact. Wolves primarily prey on ungulates like elk and deer, which, without predation, had overgrazed vegetation, particularly willow trees along riverbanks. This overgrazing led to habitat degradation, affecting species like beavers and songbirds that relied on those plants. When wolves were reintroduced, they reduced elk populations and altered their behavior, preventing overgrazing. This allowed vegetation to recover, stabilizing riverbanks, restoring wetlands, and increasing biodiversity. This phenomenon, known as a trophic cascade, highlights how wolves indirectly support a wide range of species from plants to mammals, illustrating their indispensable role in ecosystem health. Beyond Yellowstone, wolves influence ecosystems globally. In Europe, wolves help control deer populations, reducing crop damage and forest overgrazing. In Arctic regions, they regulate caribou and muskox populations, ensuring grasslands remain sustainable for other herbivores. Their hunting behavior, targeting the weak, sick, or old, promotes healthier prey populations by natural selection. However, wolf populations face challenges. Habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and hunting have reduced their range significantly. In the United States, gray wolves occupy only 10% of their historic range, with conservation efforts ongoing to protect them under the Endangered Species Act. Globally, organizations like the International Wolf Center advocate for coexistence strategies, such as non-lethal deterrence to prevent livestock predation, balancing human needs with wolf conservation. Culturally, wolves hold a dual identity as both revered and vilified. In many indigenous cultures, wolves symbolize strength, loyalty, and spirituality. For example, among Native American tribes like the Lakota, wolves are seen as teachers and pathfinders, embodying wisdom and endurance. The concept of the lone wolf originates from their social structure, where some wolves leave packs to seek new territories, symbolizing independence. Conversely, European folklore often casts wolves as villains, as seen in tales like Little Red Riding Hood or The Three Little Pigs. These stories, rooted in medieval fears of wolf attacks during times of scarcity, have fueled negative perceptions, contributing to centuries of wolf eradication campaigns. In modern times, wolves have become symbols of wilderness and resilience. Literature and media, from Jack London's Call of the Wild to films like Dances with Wolves, portray them as embodiments of untamed nature. This romanticized view has spurred conservation movements, with organizations like Defenders of Wildlife raising awareness through education and policy advocacy. Yet, misconceptions persist. Ranchers in rural areas often view wolves as threats to livestock, leading to tensions with conservationists. Data from the United States Fish and Wildlife Service indicates that wolves are responsible for less than 1% of cattle losses in the United States, yet their impact is often exaggerated, highlighting the need for better education and conflict mitigation. Wolves also inspire scientific curiosity. Their complex social structures, where packs function as family units led by an alpha pair, reveal sophisticated communication through howls, body language, and scent marking. Genetic studies show wolves' adaptability, with subspecies like the Arctic wolf or the red wolf evolving to thrive in diverse environments. Advances in tracking technology, such as GPS collars, have revealed their vast territorial ranges, sometimes spanning hundreds of miles, underscoring their resilience in navigating human-altered landscapes. The story of wolves is one of paradox: feared yet admired, vilified yet vital. Their ecological role as regulators of ecosystems is undeniable, yet their survival depends on human willingness to coexist. Conservation efforts have made strides. Gray wolf populations in the United States have rebounded from near extinction to over 6,000 individuals, but challenges remain. Habitat fragmentation, climate change, and ongoing human-wildlife conflicts threaten their future. Culturally, wolves continue to captivate, symbolizing the wild heart of nature that humans both long for and fear. By fostering understanding and implementing science-based conservation, we can ensure wolves remain a vibrant part of our planet's ecological and cultural tapestry.